Hi, my name is Lee Mandel. I'm the CEO of IntraLogic Solutions, and today I'm about to introduce our new one-button lockdown technology. Our one-button lockdown basically ties in all of our technology into one common operating picture. What you're looking here is our interactive kiosk to display how a lockdown works. A lockdown is made up of what's called initiating devices and enunciating devices. You need to have multiple ways of initiating a lockdown. Our initiation devices include an iPad, any mobile cell phone, our video management software that you can see over here. We have hardwired panic buttons. We have under the desk style panic buttons over here. Additionally, aside from all that, we can even initiate a lockdown from an IP telephone by pressing a button on the phone. Or our keyboard, our standard mouse and keyboard in a classroom or in a room can initiate a lockdown. Now when we initiate a lockdown, multiple things happen. We first contact the police to let them know the geographic location where the lockdown came in from. We flash a strobe light on the exterior of the building to let people know that the police are on their way and we have locked down the campus. The strobe light's supposed to make it where people don't re-enter the building. So if they're off campus returning back, they know we're in lockdown to stay off campus. We also enunciate over the PA system, as you can see over here, making an announcement pre-recorded in the principal or management's voice. We'll also send a text message out to parents or students. Parents who may be picking up students or kids who are off campus will get a text message letting them know not to return to campus. As well, we'll take over the PC screens everywhere in the building and put a lockdown message on, so if people don't have access to hear the lockdown message, it'll go through that as well. And we'll also talk over the phone system. So using an IP phone system, we'll actually make a digital announcement showing the text. We'll hear the announcement over the IP phone system, and then we'll also be able to see where the lockdown's coming in from the system as well. Additionally, when the lockdown happens, we'll disable our card access. So when we're not in lockdown, as you can see here, I can enter the building, but when we go into lockdown, we want to disable those doors. So now we're going to trigger a lockdown. For demonstration purposes, I'll use our emergency button here, and we're going to watch everything happen quickly.
This is Mr. Amster. Please excuse the interruption. We are now moving into lockdown. Everyone please lock down and await further instructions.
So as you can see from the lockdown system, we first contacted the police, as you can visually see demonstrated here. We also flashed the strobe light. You heard the audible announcement, and you're seeing right on the screen here our takeover of both PC screens. Additionally, we sent out text messages out to the parents and the students that may have been off campus. We also heard and saw the message over the phone system, as you can tell here. So everything happened simultaneously. Additionally, when I now go to swipe my card, I can't get access to the building anymore. So that simulates the basics of a one-button lockdown. Additionally, the way the system is set up, we have multiple ways of initiating this lockdown. All our cameras and modules are tied into the electronic floor plan, so we can see where our lockdowns were triggered from as well, right on the system. We have the ability to tie into an IP intercom system to have people buzz in and show on the computer screens throughout the building. And we even have the ability to tie in sensors such as water detection, carbon monoxide, as well as temperature sensors. So it's a fully inclusive system tied into the one-button lockdown. Even our mobile version has full capabilities, as you can see here, from the panoramic views down to the static, as well as even a live view on the system of the actual one-button lockdown system in action. So all of this is built directly in together, tied into the IntraLogic one-button lockdown system. If you have any further questions or want assistance on how you can integrate this into your current platform, feel free to visit our website at www.ilsny.com or feel free to call us at 516-799-7061. Thank you very much and have a great day.